Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Our chapter is excretion in human beings. So we're discussing about the excretory organs. So in this session, we discuss about the primary excretory organs. We started discussing about the excretory organs in our previous session. So today we move on to this part, the primary excretory organs. Basically, we be doing an overview of the kidneys, the skin, and the lungs. So this is what we'll be discussing in today's session. So let's start with the kidneys. Uh, the bean-shaped reddish-brown organs located on the sides of the vertebral column. These are what are the kidneys. They are the green-shaped reddish-brown organs located in the sides of the vertebral column. They receive and process waste that the body has extracted from the food. So that's the main functions or just the main work of the kidneys. They receive and process the waste that the body has just extracted or has just uh, put away from the food. Uh, they filter waste from the blood, including the urea, salt, and the excess water. So that's the main excretory products that are put away by the kidneys. They filter the waste from the blood, including these kinds of waste, the urea, salt, and the excess water. And they flush out these filtered waste from the body in the form of the urine. So that's basically a simple view of the kidneys as one of the excretory organs in the body. Moving on, let's see the skin. It performs the excretory functions via the sweat glands, which are called the tubules surrounded by the blood capillaries. So this is the excretory organ that performs these various excretory functions via the sweat glands, which are just called the tubules surrounded by the blood capillaries. Produces this sweat containing the amino acids, excess oils, water, and the traces of the urea and the lactic acid. So that's what this the skin, it produces the sweat that contains these components, the amino acids, the excess oils, water, and the traces of the urea and the lactic acid. And also the tubules extend into the sweat that's opening as pores on the skin surface to release the sweat. Uh, the sweating facilitates the evaporation, which acts as just a simple mechanism to cool the body. So that's a simple overview of the skin as one of the excretory organs in the body. Moving on, uh, let's really discuss about the lungs. The lungs, they serve as the vital excretory organs by expelling the carbon dioxide from the body via the exhalation. So this we discussed a little bit in the previous session. So the lungs are just the excretory organs that serve the excretion by expelling the carbon dioxide from the body via the exhalation process. Uh, they utilize the specialized cells known as the alveoli to remove the carbon dioxide from the bloodstream. They prevent the harmful accumulation of the carbon dioxide. So the accumulation of carbon dioxide is not needed for the body. So they prevent the accumulation of carbon dioxide by exhaling the carbon dioxide away from the body. Uh, they protect the body from the detrimental health effects of trapped respiratory gases. So that's the simple overview of the lungs. So of the scribe, thank you for listening. This is all I have for this session. I've seen a simple overview of the lungs, the kidney, uh, and these are just some of the excretory organs that our body processes, uh, or just our bodies uh, have. So these are some of the primary excretory organs that we have. So it's clear for this session, and thank you.